Hello once again, welcome to example 4 on the perimeter and area of a square that I started with you in the previous videos. In the previous videos, we started learning about the perimeter and area of a square, where we did some explanation on what a square is, and also we explained what we mean by the perimeter of a square and also the area of a square. Then we derived the formulas as well, the formula for finding the perimeter of a square and also the area of a square, and we've also solved some examples on it in the previous videos, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you understood it as well. So this is a continuation to solve another example with you. So this is example 4. As you can see from the board, this is example 4. So it means we've already done example 1, 2 and 3 in the previous videos. So I will advise that you watch the previous videos, okay, because the previous videos lays the foundation, okay, particularly the first video, the basic information that you need about the perimeter and area of a square. I've done those explanations in the first video, okay, so do well to watch the first video and the other videos that I've done as well, so that handling this session can be very simple for you, okay, because this is just a continuation, okay. So do well to watch the previous videos, and please don't forget to like the videos and also share them after watching. So let's go ahead and solve the example 4 that I have on the board. So let's read the question. Example 4, it says that the area of a square is 49 centimeters square. It says we should find its perimeter. Okay, so we have been given the area of a square, which is 49 centimeters, okay, square. Then we are being asked to find the perimeter of the square. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it together. So let me write my solution. So as I keep on saying that, first read the question, understand what the question is saying. Okay, then the next step is that read again, then you write down all the information given in the question. Okay, so now it says the area of a square is 49 centimeters square. Okay, so we are talking about a square here whose area is given to be 49 centimeters square. Okay, so let's write that information down. So we have been given the area. S means equal to, okay, so you write your area. So write your area in full into bracket A equals to 49 centimeters square. Okay, please hope you agree with me up to this point. Okay, so all that we did is to write down the information given in the question. Okay, so we are given that the area of a square is 49 centimeters square. So you write your area, okay, equals 49 centimeters square. Okay, so don't write only A, okay, because A can represent a lot of things, so you have to define the A that you are using, okay, by writing the area in full, then into bracket A. In this way, we know that the A is being defined to be area, okay, so don't write only A there, write area in full, then into bracket the A. That is the right way to go about it. Now, let's continue. It says that find its perimeter. Okay, so we are being asked to find the perimeter of the square. Okay, so I hope you remember the formula for finding the perimeter of a square. It is 4L. We've done this in the previous videos. Okay, so let's write the formula for finding the perimeter down. So my perimeter, write the perimeter in full, okay, into brackets P. The formula is 4L, okay, so P equals 4L, okay, so that's the formula for finding the perimeter of a square. Okay, so it means that for us to find the perimeter of a square, we need the length. Okay, from the formula that you've written that your perimeter equals 4L. Okay, that's the formula for finding the perimeter of a square. So it means you need the length, so it means you have to go and look for the length, because the question didn't give us the length. Okay, now the only thing the question gave us was the area, okay, which is 49 centimeters square. Okay, so the length that we need to be able to calculate for the perimeter, we will get it from the area. Okay, so it means that we need to go to the area and get the length from it. Please hope you agree with me. Okay, so the area is the only thing given in the question. So for us to get the length that we need to be able to solve for the perimeter, we have to go and look for the length in the area. Okay, so let's go back to the area. So we have that our area equals 49 centimeters. Okay, now in place of the A, we can put the formula for finding the area of a square there, okay, because the A represents the area of the square. So in place of the A, we can put the formula for finding the area of a square there, and which is L square. Please hope you remember the formula for finding the area of a square is L square. So in place of the A, I can put L square there equals, then you bring your 49. Okay, so the area, which is the A, equals to 49, and we know that the formula for finding the area of a square is L square. So in place of the A, we just put our L square there equals the 49. Now what you do here is to solve for L, okay, which is the length that we need. Okay, so let me continue from here. So we have L square equals to 49. Okay, for us to get L, we have to take square root of both sides. Okay, that's how to handle it. So I'll take square root of this L square, then I'll take the square root of the 49 as well. Okay, so that this square will cancel the square root sign away. Then we have our L equals square root of 49 is 7. Okay, so you have 7 centimeters, okay, as the length. Okay, please don't forget to bring the unit. The unit is very important. Okay, so don't ignore the unit. You have to bring it after getting your answer. But we are not done. This is the length of the square, but the question is asking us to find the perimeter of the square. So if you leave it like this, please, you are not done. Okay, so we have to go ahead and find the perimeter of the square. Now, going through this process was to help us get the length which we need for the perimeter, because we've written that the perimeter equals 4L, meaning that we need the length to solve for the perimeter, and we went through this process to get the length, which is 7 centimeters. So now we have to use it to find the perimeter now. Okay, so let's go ahead and find the perimeter. Okay, so we have that our P equals, please hope you can see from here. So my perimeter equals, the formula is 4L, and now we know our L to be 7 centimeters. The L is the length. Okay, so my P will be equal to 4 into bracket. The 4 and the L, they are multiplying. Okay, so the bracket means multiplication. Okay, so 4 into bracket 7. Okay, please hope you agree with me up to this point. So you will get your final answer to be 4 times 7 gives 28. Okay, so 28 centimeters. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so you can conclude, you can say that therefore its perimeter is 28 centimeters. Okay, so let me conclude from here. So therefore the perimeter, okay, please hope you can see. So perimeter into bracket P equals to 28 centimeters. Okay, so this is your final answer. Please hope the explanation was clear enough and you understood it as well. Please don't forget to like the video and also share the video as well. I'll see you again in another video whilst we solve other examples. Bye bye.